What's today's date?
Huh?
Today's December
4.
December 4, we at Odyssey in Greenbelt and we're gonna look for Looney's album. Then meron tayong album ni Looney. Okay.
Classic yun.
Ultrasound.
Ito.
Okay.
Ayun, meron na daw.
Okay.
Let's natin yan. Tignan na natin dito.
Dapat naka-display, eh.
Yung MCA, yung manipe. Parang hindi ko maano.
Kulay brown.
Kanta na ano.
Tao lang.
Tao lang.
Ron Henley, homegrown.
Ito?
Hindi, bago. Kay Looney.
Ito, ayos na.
Ultrasound.
Ayun o, ito. Idol na namin ito ah. Yun o.
Dali lang.
Ito, bili kayo na ito.
Ultrasound title. Hindi, bago. Kay Looney. Ultrasound, kuya. MCA din, MCA. Walang ultrasound, eh? Wala pa. Sige. MCA, wala pa daw yung ultrasound ni Looney. Make sure you get it out of the store so people can see it.
Para harap tayo sa ibang lugar. Sige po.
Yo, we're right here at Odyssey. Sana promote siya na maayos. Ultrasound, pick it up. We're looking for it. We're trying to buy it today, alright? Looney's album. Bakit wala pa yung album?